So in this series of training for life, I hurt my calf, so I'm doing a hike up Blue Hills Reservation, and it's like a slow little hike. Wow, I'm so out of breath. It's kind of crazy terrain, and it's good, like low impact thing for my calf. I'm doing the Skyline Trail here, just like at a casual pace, but yeah, it's pretty technical, surprisingly technical. It's right here in Milton, Massachusetts, and I'll get you guys a shot of the top. I think it's like 3 miles. Just following these blue lines. All right, just hit a mile. All right, now that we made it to the top, you know what it is. 2 stroop waffles. You just double it up, so you eat them both like this. 18 minutes in. No, 27 minutes in. A little over a mile. 18-minute pace. Feeling good. It's a hard workout. All right, now I'm headed down South Skyline here. Terrain is still kind of nuts. Whew. A little over a mile in, 1.50. All right, guys, totally forgot to close this one off. Did a little bit of a 2.6 mile run there. Really fun. Would recommend it to everybody. Definitely go ahead and try this run.